What's going on, Shoe Nation? Johnny Bubbles back with another Shoe Care Academy video. Today, I am gonna be using our signature kit on these 2014 AJKO mids that have been through some terrible times. Now, shout out to our marketing director, John, for letting us use his pair. I'll go ahead and throw a little picture of John real quick. Bing! That is John. He went ahead and let us borrow these. Now, he's had them probably since 2014. You can see a lot of heel drag there. He likes to ride the bike to work, so I'm assuming the way he stops is just a little skirt. But other than that, the shoe is looking really beat. I'm hoping that our laundry system can go ahead and clean up this canvas. I know typically with thick canvases like this material here, it's kind of hard and tricky to get out all the dirt, so I'm hoping that it does get everything out. And I want to make sure that the red canvas doesn't bleed as well. So without further ado, guys, let's get bubbly. For before and after purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and put the left shoe aside, and we're only gonna be cleaning the right one. Now, I did mention we are gonna be using our signature kit, which comes with all three of our signature brushes, a laundry bag, pair of shoe trees, microfiber towel, and a 4-ounce bottle of solution. Now, I am gonna also be using our cleaning mat, which is one of my favorite products that we have. Now, I used to use the towel, and trust me when I say this, the cleaning mat does its job. I could throw a bunch of water on here and it will soak it right up and keep my surface area clean. So I highly recommend you guys pick this up or pick up the signature bundle, which comes with everything that you see here. Now, the first step I'm gonna do, guys, is remove the laces. Now that the laces are removed, it's time to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. What this is gonna allow me to do is apply more pressure to that toe box and get a nice deep clean, especially since these are canvas. I definitely wanna get a good scrub and remove all that dirt as much as possible. Boop, go and check that out. All right, CK just got me a dry soft brush. Now I'm gonna take this dry soft brush and brush off as much dust as possible. We don't really want the water to get murky. Yo, shout out to actually one of our YouTube subscribers who actually left a comment saying, why don't you guys dry brush the sneakers before cleaning them? Because that water does get murky. Jacob, if you have that comment, go ahead and throw it up right here. Boop. Thank you, sir. Hey, before I get into it, CK, have you been reading the comments?
I haven't been.
You haven't? Wow, bro. A lot of people been messing with our videos, bro. They love it. I want to say shout out to everyone who's been leaving nice comments, whether it's nice or you're just coming to, you know, chirp, as CK likes to say. Like to leave some chirps. We appreciate everyone who's been coming through. We try to respond to everyone. So if you guys like today's video or you guys want to say something, leave us a comment and we'll go ahead and respond to you. But let's get into the dry brushing. Dirty. There you go, guys. I am done dry brushing the entire shoe with a nice dry soft brush. Let's go ahead and get that out of here. Oh, damn. All right. Now let's grab our bottle solution and pour 2 squirts into our bowl of water. Grab our soft brush and begin cleaning the uppers. All right, guys, I am done using the soft brush on the entire uppers of this AJKO. Now, they clean up really nice. However, there are still a few deep stains in this canvas material, so I'm gonna go over it with the medium brush and then use that same medium brush on the midsoles. But before I go ahead and do that, I wanna talk about the shoe a little bit. This first released back in 2014 and actually re-released earlier this year. Now, CK, how you feel about this shoe? I know earlier when we said we were cleaning the mid, you said, oh, we clean mids now? What does that mean?
I love the colorway. The mids are a little questionable. I wouldn't rock a mid, but Johnny, I think they would look flattering on you.
I actually have never owned a mid. I'm not against owning mids, but I know they are a hot thing. Last year, TikTok really blew up mids, and this colorway is obviously a classic Chicago colorway. Speaking of Chicago, Miguel, you're from Chicago.
Yes, sir.
How you feel about the AJKOs?
It is not my preferred way of wearing a Chicago colorway, but yeah, it's still highs all day for me, Chicago wise.
Okay. Well, did you know this pair right now last sold for $300, which is ridiculous for a mid. I wouldn't pay that. I remember these were like 60 bucks. I think I seen them on OfferUp for like 60 bucks.
You just came at us for beacon mids, but yet you're chirping them now?
Chirping
Saying
them?
You wouldn't pay that?
Not 300, see, Ken? 300, you know what I could do with $300?
What?
I can invest it in Ethereum. I can go buy me an NFT. I would rather buy me an NFT of an AJKO mid than the actual AJKO mid, okay? And I would wear it in the metaverse, all right? That's a whole nother topic. Let's go ahead and grab the medium brush, hit these midsoles, and get it nice and cleaned up. All right, that's a wrap on the medium brush. It's time to grab our stiff brush, dip it into our bowl of water and solution, and clean these outsoles. All right, let's check out the outsole. Cool, I am all done cleaning the entire shoe, guys. Now it's time to grab our laundry bag here and put the shoe in the bag. Now we can't forget the laces either, so I'm just gonna dip them into our bowl of water solution. Mixture real quick, scrub them. And we'll go ahead and put them inside of our pouch here where the laundry pod will go as well. So just close that up momentarily, lock it up. And let's go ahead and put these in the wash. All right, guys, we are back. I went ahead and let the shoe dry for 24 hours, and as you can see, it cleaned up really, really nice. However, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I was a little concerned that the canvas material would bleed, and it didn't bleed during the cleaning. However, it did fade a little bit of color. As you can see here in this all red, it is now like a light white color. So be careful when rocking your mids or any canvas that is dyed. This might happen. So let me just show you this one for comparison. I know it's dirty, so you can't really see it, but you can still see that the red is a red color and not like a faded red like this one. So unfortunately, that did happen. However, outside of that, the shoe cleaned up really well. Now, it still looks not perfect, right? And that's the whole point of these videos. We're not trying to bring the shoe back to a dead stock looking phase. We're just trying to show you how to clean up your shoe if it was to get this dirty or however dirty it is. And then if anything happens to it, like the fading of the canvas, we're able to show you guys that, so that way when you clean your shoe, you can take precaution to try to avoid this from happening. But just to repeat, guys, we used our signature kit: soft brush on the entire uppers, medium brush on the midsole and on the deeper stains, and then stiff brush on the outsole. We also put these in the wash, and then I let them dry outside in the Arizona sun for 24 hours. Now, if you like today's video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. We are rolling.